Fine. So guys, we are going to start. So we have a topic. Jahangir and Chetna are going to play the characters. I am going to show you the topic once again so that everybody can be aware of it. So guys, the number 15. Let me highlight this. Quarrel with your boyfriend who promised you to get married but has broken his promise. Is this the topic you have chosen, both of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fair enough. So this is the topic.
Yes,
So
sir.
let's get started, everyone. Fine. So of course Chetna is going to open up. She will start first. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
three, two, one, action. Go ahead.
Okay. Good morning, Jahangir. How are you?
Good morning. I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. How about you?
Okay, I'm also good. Actually, I want to say something to you.
What is there to say in this morning?
Actually, it's very important for our life.
Okay, make it. Do it. Do it.
Okay,
Fast and do it fast.
Jahangir.
Do it. Yeah, do it fast because I have to go somewhere.
Okay, Jahangir. When we are going to get married? Because
Why?
really, I'm restless to live with you. Tell me,
Oh.
what have you decided?
Why do you always get stuck to or get married?
Get married.
Yes.
Get married.
Yeah, to get married.
Because I'm restless to live with you. Rest of my life, I want to spend with you. That's why.
So we are living together. What is there to say that I'm dying to live with you? We are also living together.
Yeah, but I want to marry with you. I want to
I
get
want to
married
marry
with
you. With nahi aayega. I want to marry you.
Okay, sir. I want to marry you.
Okay, actually, as you know that I have been suffering from the financial problems, so give me some time so that I can collect and make some capital.
Don't say suffering from. Say I'm going through, yeah, or undergoing. You can say.
Okay. I have been going through financial problem, as you know that. So give me some time so that I can collect money, and so we don't have to worry about after getting marriage, and we can survive our life happily, as you know that.
You don't have to worry about it. I'm
What?
here with you. I'm here with you. Don't worry. Can't we
What?
learn money living together?
I don't think so because in this era it's really hard to say that, and you don't know how to make money. Then how could you say that don't need to worry about it?
How can you say I don't have a experience how to earn money?
Do you have any experience about the job?
Network issue. Chetna.
Think so, sir.
How and how to
Actually, you got disconnected, so start again.
how to present in front of. Actually, I'm saying that I have no any experience, but
Hmm.
I know very well how to earn money and how to speak in front of people. So easily I can earn money.
Okay, let's say that you can make money. So it's not going to help. I have to work hard so that we can live happily life after getting married.
Happy life. Yeah, live life happily.
Live life happily after getting married. Yeah.
So what do you think? Can't we live happily life accept money? How can you compare money?
Actually, you always try to dispute with me. I don't know why. What's the reason behind it? You have started in this early morning. It's unnecessarily. Don't know why. I have to go somewhere, and let me go.
चेतना, you say कि तुम बहाने बना रहे हो.
If you
कब से?
don't have time,
Go ahead.
if you don't have time, so clear it very quickly because
Okay.
I can't wait a long time. You have to
Okay.
clear right now.
You know what? I was about to tell you something, but you made me compelled to tell you right now. Actually, I have found someone better than you who is a very understanding person, better than you. So I was about to tell you, but not yet, not this early. But you made me compelled to tell you. So yeah, actually, I'm not able to. I have tolerate you a lot, but I'm not able to tolerate you anymore.
Audio off, audio. Chetna, audio.
Okay, right now, sir.
Yeah.
Good.
But I can't forget you, love. You will have to marry with me.
Why
I
should I get
can't.
married
It's
with
not
you?
my cup of tea. How I can forget your love?
It's like
Because we
nothing.
have. No, no. You will have to marry with me.
Are you trying to threaten me?
Anyhow, you will have to marry with me. Because you promised me
When
you will
did I
marry
promise
with
you?
me.
When did I promise you?
You forgot? You forgot your promise? How can you forget your promise?
In fact, I'm not able to remind that when did I make promise?
Remember, not remind.
Because
Remember.
of that
Remember,
girl.
so yes, sir, remember.
Because of that girl. Because of
Yeah,
that girl. You
yeah,
forgot
because
my promise.
she is better than you. She is, सर वो पूरी तरह से अच्छी है तुमसे, सर
How
कैसे
can you
बोलेंगे?
say she is better than me?
In every aspect, she is better than you.
In every aspect, she is better than you.
How can you say? How can you say she is better than me?
Because it has
Do
been
you
long
have
time that
any
we
smoking gun?
no, actually, we have been living together for a long time, so I know very well about you, and I know about her very well. So I can compare both of you guys. So I know that she is better than you in all aspect.
अब खत्म करते करते चेतना धमका भी दो
You
कि तुझे
don't know, Jahangir.
छोड़ूंगी
You
नहीं, मैं
don't
तुझे
know.
छोड़ूंगी नहीं. धमका भी दो.
Okay.
Yeah. If you will, Jahangir,
Mhm.
listen. If you will not get married with me, then really I will lodge FIR against you because you don't have right to play any girl's life. How could you play with my life? How could you play?
First, first, let me know that you know how to lodge the FIR? Then how could you do
Yeah,
that?
I know very well.
No, you can't do because as far
Yeah,
as I know you, you can't do anything without me. So how could you do that? I'm 100% sure you are not going to you are not going to do anything.
I can do. If you can do, I can also do. No problem. Really, one day I will be arrested you.
I will
Okay.
get you arrested. I will
It's
get you
sure.
arrested.
I will get you arrested. It's sure.
Okay, fine, guys, fine. Lovely, lovely.
Okay, thank you.
So nice of you. And this video has been recorded, so I hope कि घर वालों को बुरा नहीं लगेगा क्योंकि सिर्फ क्लास हो रही है, सिर्फ हमें कॉन्वर्सेशन कर रहे हैं. फाइन चेतना? Is
Yes,
it-
sir, no problem.
हाँ,
I told my mama everything about
यस,
this.
क्योंकि ये क्लासेस हैं तो ये हमें कोई इसमें बुरा नहीं मानना है, ये तो एक कॉन्वर्सेशन है, प्रैक्टिस के लिए. फाइन गाइस.